Neighbor, picture me here no more cause me
Daddy Lumba omo unim ene me obibe wonder the entire black
someone has died in the hospital. Wo fre say one me here. What did na kwasha fridge me nyina wie mana na efran krofo. Sister nenwa yezino. Odobroni. O ya de. Nti me ye sure akukudro de be ma ye de kotufunu de. Sisi onya hwe won kire no no de. Moma ni ntu no kwan bi nko dwedwe no ho. Ye be hwehwe. Ye pese ye nhu. Enya me de say ye boni din. Me pese me nhu
because speed that made free me fear. At the core that you fear no. Just to confirm. I don't think I have driven that.
I say just to confirm. Girl not you no. Just to confirm. Or the speed ban or the driving car that the fear to confirm we fear the way we on your hospital. See.
I know. Because speed that made free me fear. At the core that you fear no. Just to confirm. I don't think I have driven that fast in my life because I didn't want to believe that it was true. You know, I didn't want to accept it.
Not at all.
It wasn't possible. And you know, I was actually even speaking with Nabil and I said, I am going there. Because when I called his wife, I said, Mom said, how they brave you?
Yeah. She wasn't talking.
She didn't talk. And Mr. Mimbref, you say, I. And I'm
my friend, no, I say, Mammy said, how do you brave you? Mr. Mimbref, you say, I. She didn't say my friend now started so soon. There were no tears. You don't cry, oh. You are ready. I would you bra. Sisiano, would you bra, why? Would you bra? Would you bra? Upani akasa. Because we flower. You can't pick the fucking phone. You can't even breathe well. When you baby, I will phone put down my what's answer Akosua Lumba phone account.
Namish, I just found something and then I wore me tikana me namsino. Me let me just go. Me could do fee hono. Hey, see what are you people saying? How?
Me could do fee hono. Me say, what are you people saying? How? Lumba owu sign analysis me da say. Lumba owu sign, which means he was. There was no indication of Yamanu 24 hours be more obewu na kuma na se kra ni yefuna ho ayekese. It didn't happen. It didn't. Yentie. Oh nkukwai.
Ensino obia ope Daddy Lumba sembia nana bompaya ma na yire ne mba no.
Me ba cho yanko ha. Okoko ka we nyina wie ye no. With straight face, you know. Ena ye bisa no question say. Daddy Lumba wu ye no when or see ye Simon Kasa.
I congratulate you on this new feat, so no. I'd also like to console you in this moment because I know say was it last year or last 2 years? Now
last year. This last year and even 2 years ago. Yeah.
We're discussing
yes.
Daddy Lumba, how you love his music and the influence, no? It must be tough for you.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thank you.
And you were one of the people out breaking news, no? And people still didn't believe it. Say, hey, you're not correct.
One country. Let's rest in peace.
Unfortunately, he's gone and may he so rest in peace.
May he so rest in peace.
But you know, where were you? Now, how was it?
I think my manager said I shouldn't talk, so it's okay.
No, we're not even.
Inti assembly see and no one. A person can say, I think I have said enough or say, I think I have said. My manager say I shouldn't talk. Just tell us, Lumba wu baby ana. You can't say it because she doesn't want to repeat it.
Delving into family issues. Well, it's about you and him and how you like him.
Yeah.
And she was laughing. Criminal question day. when your friend died, the person that you came to announce is dead. See, ya no na wo he. Yes, mama nkasa. Yet na ho. The person who came to tell us that ono jidinti na ono so ka kire and say, "Wewu." Yenko bisa apo say inti Lumba de den no wu ye. Inti wo proof so na wewu. Ye bisa say na wo wan. O see yes ma nkasa. Yes ma nkasa. Do you know how pregnant that statement is? What's ma nkasa? Erka kan no kware. Wana no arka cho de menka so manager abetum no no ka cho de. Eko no obi so de Lumba wi na ya abeza menka. Hey! Yet na ho. Boy, yentie we nso e. Nyewa himponi. Yentie a. Yentie a.
Okay.
Ali Yala.
Yala.
Yala. Y-A-L-L.
Oh, Yala. Yala. Okay.
Lawyer,
Cancel
no.
Yala.
Baba Jamal and associates.
Oh, okay.
Baba Jamal.
Just Kojo Fusu.
Wow.
Alias Daddy Lumba. When I'm here, a lawyer.
Oh, now you're a lawyer. So cancel Fatimi Pacho. Mr. Wene, I no page ye. Social media. Na me Pacho, what's anything? Why a lawyer in Pacho? What's anything?
Yo. When some pay. No honor. Mina, I send messages now. Of what in the breeze. I'm saying me and pay many things. Sorry.
And son no pay many no. Na Lumba name only Mrs. Priscilla Abnata Odobruni. Wa friend me bebre. Chale girl no oyade. Wukune out of negligence ma iriswima. Which me a friend crofo. Afra jagoraja. A friend lawyer no bebre. I sending messages bebre. Lawyer nankasa ponim say some messages she has to bring them with all the call log. E also odeba. See, and son na mesorino, which means he died at dawn. Thank you. Yes, na se owu anajua. Owu between 12 to ahmachi. My question is, since he went there the same day according to Evangelist Free, okwa anopano onu de okwa check up keke na ekwa sunshine bae your simumbe fa no nkoto kan na omude ne to kan omude ne tu mu wankotinem omude ne tu mu na omubedu piesi enyame hra na enti say Evangelist Free ka chere say asemi na one day my kofa ne mba no bae ne babae ma obehage ne papa e ma driver na ye hwehwe onu nso ebisa na nimu asa onu nso hage Lumba e na girl no sign call fie bae obae na doctor say ko ba ansa owu a na say ni nyina si ahmachi a does it make sense to you say nkwala no mo ada ahmachi dada o say okọ fie na okodware nkwala no. Now I want you to pay attention to PSC Nyamisha. I want you to pay attention to Kaima Owuyeno. This is the lawyer. Because sewa mi here momo bamanye na ya nopa. Na ya nopa. Mandi medase. Na ya nopa. Mandi sapon jama medase. Na ya nopa. Inti anopa no mpo de esi my afraid way e ma na free nche se esie mu around 4 de na ewie ma o sha fridge me da say me ba do you think that she left the body oh Mandy do you think that she can leave the body in and then come home? No omo de she fridge nyina wie yansa or friend obetna afie no oh Mandy me da say That's it. Anna, Okay, say a lawyer no so confirm ya my yen say esi anaju de sium. Muntie. Because I see on no sorry no dobroni why calling people out, not calling any of DL family. Joe, pretty Joe. Hono na ebe ma ye bisa say oh fair. Ye da nyame asese sesi oni ebusua pani omo aye one. When did it start? Because ebusua pani ma ye hu say ono Akosua say wa na onimu no. E dey na course sika.
Okay.
Ali Yala. Free Baba. Yala. YALLA.
Oh, Yala. Okay. Cancel Yala.
Baba Jamal and associates.
Oh, okay.
Just Kojo Fusu. Alias Daddy Lumba. When I'm here, lawyer.
Oh, now you're a lawyer. So cancel Fatimi Pacho. Mr. Wene. I no page ye social media. Na me pacho what's anything? Why a lawyer pacho? What's anything?
No. Miss Mama Pay.
I met Faustina Fosu Okrom ha. Faustina Fosu Okrom ha. Now our friend Estina wa me Germany Dombra. Why was she not calling Faustina? Why was she not calling Faustina? Are there questions in the doors? Don't ask me, oh, I thought you are Odobroni. I am Odobroni and questions in person one no yan na yenjai say ye bonidi.
No, Hona, I send messages now. Of what I said in the breeze, I send me an appeal crime and it's sorry, I feel watching the other. I then see social media and then I will say, clients. Waka baby, if you say no crack, if you say no crack, it's me to make up you.
Okay.
It's me go feel more. I mean, to drink come one and who say, no crack, but say,
Wuko fiewa, lawyer Fati, Mon ching komo. Yes, you be away no cray and no cray. Wuko fiewa, na me call no na ye bomb me a manie. Ma much chain come because you were now doing the same common as say once na appears him that's it. Na say once swaba home ma much chain common. You people were making so much, deliberation. So what next? So because I was one country and say, Timmy too fear or no. Na dear money any bore me. Me see there is too much potholes with your body language, and I'm doing both your body language and I'm doing statement analysis. So we take it word by word. Okay?
yeah, the other bontia that catch a mouth for send a credit that was 75 fine free.
Senya yebekwa akobo amanye. It is only the wise and intelligent. Oh, me da say. Senya yebekwa akobo amanye. Inti ye twetwe nkomo wie ye na me hu se sa na etie no. Na aka senya yebekwa akobo amanye inti ye hia permission from ebushi muntie.
Sebe ye other bontia that catch a mouth for send a credit that was 75 fine free.
Lawyer no should know say traditionally ebusia penny ena e was some friend was same way. Lawyer Fatipo one for ebusia penny. Who was the ebusia then? When na ebusia no say one me here mo. Who was the ebusia?
Animal fine. I'm place on my fine said I am trying to just say a no crap. Said they were no crap and no crap. And when you know it's a bit. See now no fee. See
a question
Mommy, me pacho. Now me person business and Mr. I'm upon a time benefit.
Yeah, a bushana mammy and say, oh, I'm marching.
Okay.
It's young who marching say, I'm a little of grass, so they can't sound much.
Rebecca sound much.
Instead of marching, because I'm a panama say.
Me pacho, I was hospital and if ye.
A Busiano friend, and catch okay, baby hospital. Okay, baby, for study hospital.
Pacho cancel Mr. One kasa why o client. When was the last time who now need din komo?
I'm sorry.
Hello.
I'm tired. I can't make do now.
Okay.
Listen, now was near the man.
Okay.
It's not me. Your feedback is free.
Okay.
See me, Kadia, and who now wants to cry.
It's Sana what you are can was who no way.
Tie.
None where I didn't know. Last time in whom is
19th.
19th July, making the practice side.
Okay.
19th July. And where one did other one say, now, obey maybe. And I'm also no, but shoot at that, the spine and I all cannot, but on and off that.
It's on and off Nana, and then
one in the another way. I know where.
Mimi no dear nane one year. I nane 1 year. That was 19th. Oh, 26th. Said nane lawyer ye bibia man okasa okoda hospital 3 days. Like a lawyer no nim so okoda hospital 3 days. Oh, mosi oh no see en Fred Denise ni hwamono na mrene duru no. One friend lawyer mo. Of Fred Denise mo. He was in the hospital for 3 days. According to evangelist Bibia says, now he was deteriorating. Ni yefunu ya na kese na kuma no so ho by one friend lawyer. Sa time na the fru hono no. One friend say want me here. Okay.
Yes, I say, send your name minimum. Literally, sana ni hono. I say,
Yeah, I don't care, cry.
That's why I read out.
Who is coming?
And Yariana sa kind of Capranaja. Sufyan to Atara.
Yanti Mat. Council Fati. We dear United Showbiz for any.
The most important person and Kaosa Manfrey. Where is the Muntie father? So Muntie father. Father on can ma onim seni esi ba onim seni ye kura san.
Piano. Ghana for no bi. E de o ma no kun papa no. Pa so ase ase. Ye Ghana for no bi de o ma no kun.
Tio father na ekasa no.
We blessed ye piano. Ghana for no bi. We blessed ye piano. Ghana for no bi. E de o ma no kun papa no. Pa so ase ase. Ye Ghana for no bi de o ma no kun papa no. E say me find say one of those things. Yeah, one of those things, yeah. And so say reality on the grounds no.
Tio father no ye oni Lumba ye tano. Sena Lumba da hospital 3 days senya ye kana. Oda ho manek na kuma no eye west. Ma ye Fred Denise mo, ma ne fru no doa no. Young friend lawyer. Father Abraham was a Roman father no so. Wan kwa edwuma mu ankote da. Because according to him, he was shocked. He was shocked. Tieni biom.
We blessed ye piano. Ghana for no bi. E de o ma no kun papa no.
I say every year, omu ku papa nti eba no. He thought it was one of those. Omo can be, which means as a spine fracture kills. Yo, inti time na omo ka kire no. Ade na father. Sena Lumba yare din India. I normal amas. Oh, you acquire Saba or fan. Now he's like, I don't know how it happened. Father, or see, let me feel say entro no mudinabi. I didn't know begging say entro. Because there is no reason for Lumba to die. He was not sick, he was not in the hospital. There was no reason for him to die that particular day. Inti na ye no wan no. Inti no tumi dwin say Ghana fo ne nsem keka omo ubo na ewutobiom. Na obi oni ne ye adwuma oni ne ye ta sa How could he not know? Say Lumba yare. My catcher and say Lumba wu aye no mama. Lawyer ni aye no mama. E say wa me here. Well, koshe send your father. Roman father, koshe send your kwe ye no. Koshe. Everything about him was so casual. Or coffee hobia, shano. Me see. Criminal court na same way was saying court. Now you read one body language.
We blessed year biano. Ghana for no be. The omano kum papa no. That's what I say. Ghana for no be the omano kum papa no. You see, as me fan say one of those things. Yeah, one of those things.
Every year, Ghana for kuno. They say Roman father was in the was his Tio. Every year, be Shadia. I was so Shadia. I will mail them and say, it him or coffee by her brony bar, what zizi. Hi, I was them a minutin and pan, you'll be a call private schools. Shadia. Never afraid to cross from one. Thank God for social media. Father say, or no, say one of those things. Because I feel yeah. He's feeling that Erisro. He's feeling that because na Lumba yara. Mesro, I remember generational names in Awudamafri. One, when you make a den infant simple. Sasa, Shadia.
We blessed year biano. Ghana for no be. The omano kum papa no. That's what I say. Ghana for no be the omano kum papa no. You see, as me fan say one of those things. Yeah, one of those things. Yeah, and see, and so say you don't say reality on the grounds, no. Yeah, papa.
Until we saw the reality on the ground, cosmetology, cosmopology. Tio, I say. Onumpo say one Jane did that. Ashanti Queen liaised with like me mama obey. Tio or say he never believed it until the reality Shadia Jade as his room. Until the reality hit. That's how much Lumba was. I'm doing great, Astra. That's how much Lumba was not sick. Because say when me here say she still don't know why it's possible. Wait, lawyer no say me nim why see me hunu na okay. Father so say me cry me say nkrofo nkwase asem o ka na afibia no. It all goes to say na Lumba last days ni there he was not that sick. Nobody was expecting it there. Just say there was nothing to let it. Yeah, God bless you too. Okay? Mrs. Sankrofo we na mama cotton shell no be am bet now. Na ye beto to omo anu a omo they ehone on beka no press chale support aba media monko ka no crow because me nko.
We blessed year biano. Ghana for no be. The omano kum papa no. That's what I say. Ghana for no be the omano kum papa no. Is he as me fan say one of those things. Yeah, one of those things. Yeah, and see, and so say you don't say reality on the grounds, no. Yeah, papa. Days leading to Saturday. Na oyare na did you know say maybe oyare agena to hospital?
Me redeem kasamuntie. Or say every blessed year bia omo kasa wewunti ono eche no ntumi njindi until who reality on the ground and so GAD. Na ye bisa ne say well done me da say. Ye bisa ne say days leading to Saturday no and na e dia ni mukodu Saturday no wuhu no sign na oya mu de muntie
Ghana for no be the omano kum papa no. That's what I say. Ghana for no be the omano kum papa no. Is he as me fan say one of those things. Yeah, one of those things. Yeah, and see, and so say you don't say reality on the grounds, no. Yeah, papa. Days leading to Saturday, no. Na oyare na did you know say maybe oyare agena to hospital na baby sir? Oh, Debbie. No, oyare because barely less than 2 weeks ago.
Roman father days to Lumba wuno. What is so yare? Anaya hospitalizing na or say Debbie no yare. And yes, and na minimo. Rosie say thank you. Thank God you are. Oh, thank you too. Roman father and say minim na mini town. Na me ten in country. I said Debbie. Definite answer. Inti say Sister Elder Evangelist. Could be so story in Mubiomo. Would you mean so corner? Oh, you do cook amidase. Or sick, he was not sick. Sister free America, New Jersey. Me man come hobby. Monko says some am getting in what the man be. I was you were a good person, Emba. Now what's now? My work catch ram. That one there was full video. Full video means Daddy Lumba, no worry in video everywhere he went because no surveillance camera, no CCTV is going to follow him from Bank Hospital to Sunshine. Sister. Father Abraham Tnaha, I say exactly. Father Tnaha, see or no dear, no name say Lumba yare.
On the grounds, no, yeah, papa.
But days leading to Saturday, no. Na oyare na did you know say maybe oyare at General Hospital na baby sir?
Oh, Debbie. No, on because barely less than 2 weeks ago, and a call program.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's Bibia new Honoma.
No, yare. Less than 2 weeks ago, cramming in